Welcome to our tutorial on how to send direct messages in Gmail on your PC. With the latest updates, Gmail has become more than just an email service. It's a comprehensive communication platform that allows you to chat with colleagues and friends directly from your inbox. First, let's get started by opening Gmail. Simply type mail.google.com into your browser and log in with your Google account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Gmail interface, where you can manage all your emails. Now, let's focus on sending direct messages. To do this, look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see 9 dots arranged vertically. This is known as the App Launcher. Click on these dots to open a menu that lists various Google apps. From this menu, select Chat or Google Chat if available. This will open a sidebar where all your chats are listed. If chat isn't visible immediately after clicking on it from the launcher, ensure it's enabled by going into Settings greater than C, All Settings greater than Chat and Meet greater than Google Chat. Next, find or start a new chat by typing someone's name or email address at the bottom of the sidebar under Start a Chat. As you type, suggestions will appear based on contacts in your list. Once you've selected or entered someone to chat with, write your message in the text box provided within that conversation window. You can add emojis or attachments if needed using icons above or below this text area. Finally, click Send, and your message will be delivered instantly to whoever is online and available for chatting within their own Gmail inbox. This feature is incredibly useful for quick conversations without needing to switch between different messaging apps or compose an entire email when only a brief message is required. Plus, since it integrates seamlessly with other Google services like Google Docs and Spaces for team collaboration projects, it makes managing work communications much easier than ever before. So, there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to stay connected through direct messaging right inside Gmail.